Let's talk about paying yourself as a trader. Okay, so the first thing that we need to establish is when you have your trading account, what is your bottom line? Your bottom line is going to be the number of dollars that you keep in your trading account as a threshold. So for this case, let's just say that your bottom line is $1,000. So you got $1,000 in your trading account. So let's take us through the course of a week and say in 1 week, we are able to grow that $1,000 to like, I don't know, $1,100. This is now extra profit, extra money we have on top of our bottom line. So you need to determine the interval of time that you're going to pay yourself. So whatever it is, say it's weekly, we're going to check in on where this number is at. So in this case, we just added $241 on top of the $1,000. I realize 24% return is quite high, but let's just say this was your week. So after that week, what you're going to do is you're going to just go back down to your bottom line. So you're going to move your whatever's on top here, your $241, into either long-term or your bank account. So personally, I'm someone who likes to try and reinvest as much as possible. So just a scenario, I would take $141 out of that 241, put it into long-term, and then $100 just move to the bank account. So you have two different goals with the amount of money you're taking out of your account. One, to provide as a source of income, and two, to move into long-term investments. Now you're back down to the $1,000. You're back at your threshold. So here comes the tricky part. What if you lose some money 1 week? So let's just say, for example, 1 week you lose about $121. You're down at $879. So in this case, you would not be paying yourself. What you would do is take the next week and try and grow this money back. Instead of going over your bottom line, you're trying to get back to your bottom line, right? And then so once you can do that, grow it back to $1,000, then you can start piling on top of that and taking profit out from there. But guys, the key to paying yourself and transferring money to your long-term investments is remembering your bottom line. And anytime your trading account goes over that bottom line, whenever your period is up, say it's weekly, you take anything between your bottom line and your current value, put it into long-term investments, pay yourself, and then bring it back down to your bottom line. If you go below it, we're working as hard as we possibly can to bring it back up to the bottom line first, and then you can start paying yourself after you exceed the bottom line. Now, hopefully, you're not doing anything like this where you're just continuing to go down. That's called blowing up an account, and we don't want to be doing that. So we're assuming that we're not blowing up the account, but we are positioning ourselves in a place where we have a structure to the method in which we are paying ourselves to our bank account and our long-term investments.